Hey, did you catch the game last night?
Yeah, I did. What a nail biter, right?
Totally. I couldn't believe it when they scored in the last minute.
I know, right? Talk about intense.
So, what's on the agenda for the rest of the day?
Not much. Just gotta swing by the grocery store and pick up a few things.
Sounds good. Mind if I tag along? I need to grab some stuff too.
Sure, the more the merrier. We can make it a quick trip.
Great. Let me grab my keys and we'll head out.
Sounds like a plan. Let's get going before it gets too crowded.
Now, let's review the conversation with meaning. Catch, verb to see or watch something. Example, did you catch the game last night? Means, did you watch the game last night? Nail biter, noun, an exciting and suspenseful event or situation. Example, what a nail biter, right? Refers to a thrilling and intense experience. Intense, adjective, very strong or extreme. Example, talk about intense. Means, that was very exciting and intense. Agenda, noun, a list of things to be done or discussed. Example, what's on the agenda for the rest of the day? Means, what do you plan to do or discuss for the rest of the day? Swing by, phrasal verb, to stop briefly at a place while going somewhere else. Example, just gotta swing by the grocery store, means, I just need to stop quickly at the grocery store. Tag along, phrasal verb, to go somewhere with someone, especially when they haven't specifically invited you. Example, mind if I tag along? Means, can I come with you? Grab, verb, to take something quickly. Example, let me grab my keys, means, let me quickly take my keys. Stuff, noun, various unspecified things or items. Example, I need to grab some stuff too, means, I also need to take some items. Merrier, adjective, more enjoyable or pleasant. Example, the more the merrier. Means, it will be more enjoyable with more people. Quick, adjective, done or happening in a short period of time. Example, let's make it a quick trip, means, let's go fast and not spend much time. Trip, noun, a journey. Example, let's make it a quick trip, refers to a short journey. Head out, means to leave or depart from a place. For example, let's head out before it gets too crowded, means, let's leave before the place becomes filled with many people. Crowded, adjective, filled with a large number of people or things. Example, let's get going before it gets too crowded, means, let's leave before the place becomes filled with many people.